Evelyn,
Evelyn,
why do we bother to stay?
why are you running away?
Don't you feel like severing?
Everything's just come together
It's
at
broken, I
last.
don't want to play.
We grew up closer than
anything.
closer than anything.
Shared our bed,
And wore the same
talked
clothes.
about everything.
Spoke about so many things.
What shall we wear tonight?
What shall we eat today? Can we go ice
But
skating?
we just did that yesterday.
Should we be firemen? Can we be astronauts? What if they find
They're not
us?
looking anywhere.
Evelyn,
Evelyn,
why do we bother to stay?
why are you running away?
Don't you feel like severing?
Everything's just come together
It's
at
broken,
last.
I don't want to play. Fill my glass, let's drink a toast.
This is our birthday.
Why are we weeping?
At your side,
I feel like a
I wake up
ghost,
first.
and I stare at you sleeping.
What shall we wear tonight? What shall we eat? Do you
today?
think I should marry
We
him?
just met him yesterday.
Should we be movie stars? Will we be millionaires? I want to be famous.
They're watching us anyway.
Evelyn,
Evelyn,
why do we bother to stay?
why are you running away?
Don't you feel like severing?
Everything's just come together. It's
Broken, I
past.
don't want to play.
We grew up so very close.
A parasite needs a home.
I'm only trying to do what is best for us.
Well, I never asked for this. I never wanted this. All that I want is some time to myself.
Looking in your eyes, I'm coming.
Just get away from me. Please just stop touching me. You're always trying to be somebody else.
I realize I'm not
Well, you're always scared of me.
You never cared for me.
Why don't you let me free?
You never dared me.
'Cause you never listen. You're always insisting. I just stop reminiscing. I feel something missing. I just want my privacy. God, won't you leave me alone? Evelyn, Evelyn,
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 Evelyn,
Evelyn,
Evelyn,
Evelyn,
Evelyn,
Evelyn,
Evelyn,
Evelyn, Evelyn, Evelyn, Evelyn, Evelyn, Evelyn, Evelyn, Evelyn, Evelyn.